What's up everyone, welcome back to the JD Mexican channel. Today I got some new parts here that I already got painted. They're going to go on the Forester. I got the rear bumper right here and I got a front bumper. I also got the mid spoiler that we're going to be putting on in the back, as well as a STI style hood scoop. So we're going to be putting those parts on there today and getting it ready. Maybe go to Cars and Coffee next weekend with the new bumpers and stuff. But anyways, I know it's been a long time since we posted, but this one's gonna be cool. It's gonna get a nice little facelift in the front and the back. And I still need to put that carpet on. Maybe I'll do it this time, we'll see. But we're gonna get started with the bumpers today and see how far we get, and then maybe I'll decide whether I do that STI carpet this weekend or not. But anyways, let's get into it. Also, for anyone that doesn't know, this is a JDM-style Subaru Forester Cross Sports style bumper. I don't think they ever came like these in the US, but anyways, I bought these from Tuning HD and I got them painted, matched the car. There's the front bumper. As you guys can see, it looks super sick compared to the stock bumper that it comes with. This one here, it looks so much more sportier and bigger. I need to figure out how I'm gonna mount the fog lights on here, but yeah, that's what these bumpers are from. But anyways, yeah, let's get into removing that front bumper here and installing the new one on there. I'm actually gonna start with the easier part, which is the hood scoop. So I'm just gonna remove those screws from here, get that STI style hood scoop installed on here, and then we'll see how it looks. So first things first, I'm gonna remove this cover right here. We're gonna get to the screws and bolts that are here. We're gonna take them off. The new one comes with new bolts and screws, but it's missing one. We'll probably use one of the old ones on here. And yeah, so let's remove this and get the other one fitted on there. So there's a little mock-up of how it's gonna look. You guys can see it's significantly bigger than the stock one, which is this one right here. As you guys can tell, there's a pretty big difference. It looks super sick. I feel like even just the hood scoop alone is already giving it a different look. Looks amazing. I'm gonna get all the screws on there, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we'll start removing that front bumper and we'll start putting that on. So anyways, I'm gonna finish that up and then I'll get up to this right here. All right guys, I got everything bolted up on there. It's looking good. I just need to put the little cover back on and then we'll move on to the bumper. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think so far? It looks really good. I got the front bumper off. I don't know if you guys ever taken off a bumper off of a Forester, but it's gotta be the hardest bumper to ever remove, I swear. Anyways, I'm gonna test fit the other bumper on here and try to get it all put together, and then I'll show you guys once it's all on there. Alright guys, there's that front bumper on now. It's looking nice with the STI hood scoop. I still need to get the grill, the JDM grill, so that it all fits nice, and I think I need to get the eyelids too. So I'm gonna hold off on that for now, but I need to look for some. They're a little hard to find, but there's the bumper. What do you guys think? Car is coming along nicely. The fog lights also didn't fit. I need to figure out the situation with the fog lights, so I'm gonna leave them blank for now, figure out something later on. But there's the car. What do you guys think so far? Alright, so I'm gonna get started on the back now. I actually installed the exhaust a couple weeks ago. I don't think I got that on video, as well as the clear tail lights that I got made here. You guys can see that looks pretty nice. I'm still trying to do like full clear, but this is working for now. But anyways, I'm gonna remove that back bumper and then we'll get installing the new one. Alright guys, there's that back bumper. This one was a lot easier than the front one, that's for sure. Well, the back bumper is on now. It took me a couple hours. I was having some fitment issues, which I'm not too happy about because I scratched up my paint a little bit here, as you guys could see. Not very happy about that. A little bit right here. It'll be okay though. We'll get it fixed. Also, the fitment here, you got a little gap there. This side looks good. It won't bother me too much. Other than that, this thing is looking mint. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, well, it's only right that I go hit the car wash after installing all these parts, get the car looking nice and clean. So we're gonna go wash this real quick. I'm gonna get some nice little cinematic or something, see what I can do with the camera. But anyways, let's go wash the car real quick. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the install on the parts and like the way the car looks. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Probably the next video I'll be going to Cars and Coffee. We'll take the car, go look at some cool cars, and I'll probably just record whatever we're doing on there. So anyways, we'll see you in the next one.